Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset network settings to default in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to reset network settings to default in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First click on Start. Now click on Settings. After, click on Network and Internet. And here left panel, click on Startup. Now scroll down and here option Network Reset. So click on Network Reset. After click on Reset Now and here click Yes. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to reset network settings to default in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.